Hiro-san, we're back here at True World Foods.
Yes.
And picking up some really delicious salmon. Whoever knew there were so many kinds of salmon, but a lot of the viewers out there, they wanted to know which is the best salmon for sushi, sashimi. We have an expert here. Hello, Miho.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, excellent. We are so happy to be here to pick up the stuff. All right, Miho, talk to us about the 3 different salmons that we have here.
Okay. So, this is Chilean salmon. A lot of customers use this for cooking, but we can still use for sushi and farm raised.
Yes.
And then this one is Scottish salmon. It's very popular in Miami. A lot of restaurants use for sushi sashimi.
Right.
And then this is the actually best. It's kind of like salmon, Steelhead Trout. It's farm raised in Scotland.
Okay.
And the color is more like orangish, like vivid, and the taste milky and nice.
Okay.
So this is the best one.
So there's the best one.
Yeah.
And that comes whole, right?
Yes. Whole.
And the other 2 are fillet. Okay. All right, we're going to go back to the studio, Hiro, and try it out.
Let's start.
All right. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Hiro-san, we are back in the studio.
Yes.
We got so much salmon, but our first episode of the salmon episodes is going to be how to break down a steelhead salmon, basically a rainbow trout. Yeah. So
Yeah, that they say that trout.
yes. So let's take a look at this invoice. This is from True World again. If you take a look at the first line, you see here it says rainbow trout or steelhead trout. Basically, it's farm raised. It's 8.3 pounds. The price per pound is $7.95. The total cost is about $66, and we can't wait to try it.
Actually, people already seen in the back. I have two case different salmon.
Right.
So
And,
first one we're gonna do this salmon. This will come with a hole, right?
Can't wait to do it. Okay, Hiro, let's open it up.
Let's try to open. Let's start open. Yes.
You guys are going to watch the following episode
I
where Hiro
didn't
goes to Walmart and also to Whole Foods to pick up salmon.
Yeah, we have more salmon coming.
Got a huge,
after that.
huge comparison.
Yes,
Oh,
this one.
nice. It's all nice.
This one.
Oh, that's such a good. I like the color. So crystal clear, Hiro.
Crystal clear, right? We are looking at something different.
Take a look at this. This is from Scotland.
Look at that.
Let me tell you, I love when the fish comes with a tag. You know, it's like going to a Gucci store and you've got a Gucci label on the outside of it, you know?
You wanna keep them in your hand?
Okay, let's take it out, Hiro.
Yeah, actually, yeah, I can take it out here, but so fast you wanna see that?
Yeah, let's take it out.
Because I need to take a scale off
Okay.
too, So I can put on the cutting board.
All right.
First. Then I'm gonna do start it.
We want to take a look at the eyes and the gills. The more clear it is, the fresher it is. So again, this is about 8.3 pounds. Let's turn it around, Hiro. Oh yeah, let's take a look inside there. Already comes all cleaned out already. All right, we're gonna wash it first because it has.
Before take the picture,
Yeah. Before you take a picture, you always have to wash the fish.
I just wanna take off the sticky stuff. Then you can take more better picture. Okay, next step, I'm gonna make a fillet first.
Okay.
And then after I'm gonna do cut into the portion.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can show everyone how to store it too.
Yes.
How to keep it for a while inside your house, which is a very important step for everyone.
Yes. And then first you can see that I just wash it in the water, so my gear was more red.
Yeah.
Okay, first I'm gonna take it off. I'm not gonna use in the kama for if you using the kama for the recipe. Usually I keep kama meat more like this much with this one color, But at this moment I don't really use it for that. Just go cut it this way, straight. Cutting down. it out. This, and turn around, and all this line. First one, just put a little bit. Okay, first line. The next one, all the way until in the center bone. You can see that in the center bone here, all the way. Then you can cut here, then holding and cut.
Oh boy, look at this meat. Beautiful color, huh, Hiro?
Yeah, nice. Okay, next one, I want to take this center bone all the way, the end. From here, starting from here, just cut up. And cut the tail, like this. Then you can use a spoon to squeeze out meat.
Yeah,
From here,
a lot of good meat there still on the bones.
Okay. And after that, I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning, take off the rib bone and also the another bone here. Making okay. Just do a little bone here. Okay, this one taken out, and a little more stuff, just making clean up. Okay, then turn around and the stomach side. Now I'm going to take it out to the liver bone. Okay, that's it. salmon belly.
Oh, this is the.
Salmon.
It's like they call it salmon toro.
Yeah, you can call it salmon toro. Yeah, many places call it salmon toro.
Everyone calls it.
Yeah.
That is the best part to me. So good.
I'm gonna clean up this side. Okay, now I'm gonna start to cut into the portion. First, I always this is kind of this shape, right?
So you just kind of make a right angle, right?
Yeah.
Just
When
kinda
you
slant
cut
it.
off the head, you can straight out too.
Yeah.
So then you're not gonna do this job.
Okay.
So straight out also. And this is just what I'm doing is when you do the nigiri sushi, right? This how they call the
width.
width?
The width. Yeah.
Or I mean the longer one. The width.
Width.
What they
like
call
how long?
so I'm talking about this one coming to sushi coming this way,
Mhm.
this side, this longer. That's the
Okay.
way. Okay, whatever. Yeah, just like a forefinger line.
Okay.
This one, okay. And so what I'm talking about is if you do the sushi, right? So we're gonna cut this one or this way.
Yeah.
So this is coming to on the rice.
Right.
This. Okay. Here.
So this is how you used to do it in the restaurant.
Right.
This is just wax paper here.
Box paper.
Okay.
For this demonstration, I'm gonna do a 2-piece. Like this. Then plastic. Okay, next one I'm gonna put into the zip block, and you can put two more here too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this one only for 2. And if you have a vacuum, how to call it, vacuum pack?
Yeah. Vacuum
that-
seal.
Yeah, vacuum seal. That was more nicer.
Yeah, you can store. Actually, we were talking about this earlier. You can actually store the fish up to 2 weeks. You know.
Yeah, usually
Or more.
restaurants, rotation very faster. So not really stay more than
Right.
1 week. So, but in the house and could be stay more longer, right?
Yeah.
So even this fish after 2 weeks in this condition of the frozen, you have to see the meat really fresh as possible.
Yeah.
You
Of
should
course.
eat sashimi or sushi.
Right.
So this I'm gonna keep in the cooler.
Okay. The freezer.
Freezer.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Okay, here's son. That's it,
Yeah,
right?
that's it for
Yeah.
this one.
All right. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Guys, have any questions? Comment below. We'll try to get the answers to you. And follow us on Instagram. We'll see what Hiro's doing on a weekly basis. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.